Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from First American Financial, a leader in title, settlement, and risk solutions for real estate transactions. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. First American Financial has just released their third quarter 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their impressive revenue growth to strategic initiatives in digital transformation.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. First American Financial reported a total revenue of $2.0 billion for the third quarter of 2025, marking a 41% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this significant growth?
The revenue surge is primarily driven by the strength in their title insurance and services segment, which saw a 42% increase in total revenues. Additionally, their commercial revenues grew by 29%, and investment income rose by 12%. This robust performance translated into a net income of $190 million, a stark contrast to the net loss of $104 million in the same quarter last year.
And how did this impact their earnings per share?
The adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.70, which is a substantial improvement from $1.34 last year. This reflects the company's effective cost management and strategic focus on high-margin segments.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.42 based on a survey of 3 analysts. How did First American Financial's actual performance compare to these expectations?
First American Financial exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.70, beating the forecast by 28 cents. This outperformance is a testament to their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies, particularly in their title insurance and services segment.
What does this EPS beat indicate about the company's financial health and market position?
It indicates strong financial health and a solid market position. The company's ability to surpass analyst expectations suggests effective management and a resilient business model, even amidst challenges in the U.S. housing market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. First American Financial reported a pretax margin of 12.9% in their title insurance and services segment and 13.5% in their home warranty segment. How significant are these figures?
These margins are quite impressive, especially given the current market conditions. The title segment's pre-tax margin of 12.9% reflects their strong cost management and strategic focus on high-margin areas. Similarly, the home warranty segment's margin improvement to 13.5% is driven by a decline in claim loss rates and favorable weather conditions.
And what about their cash flow and dividend policy?
Cash flow from operations increased to $273 million, up from $237 million last year, highlighting their strong cash generation capabilities. Additionally, they raised their common stock dividend by 2% to an annual rate of $2.20 per share, which is a positive signal to investors about their confidence in future cash flows.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. First American Financial's CEO, Mark Seaton, provided some insights into the company's strategic direction. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
Mark Seaton emphasized the company's commitment to digital transformation and AI integration. He believes these investments will drive significant productivity gains, reduce risk, and unlock new revenue opportunities. Seaton is optimistic about the long-term outlook, particularly as they are at the early stages of the next real estate cycle.
How does this strategic focus position First American Financial for future growth?
By modernizing their platforms and integrating AI, First American is positioning itself to outperform as the market strengthens. This strategic focus not only enhances operational efficiency, but also extends their leadership in the industry, making them well prepared for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, First American Financial has delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of 2025, with impressive revenue growth and a significant EPS beat. Their strategic focus on digital transformation and AI integration positions them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
First American Financial's robust financial performance and strategic initiatives make it an attractive investment. Their ability to navigate market challenges and focus on high-margin segments bodes well for long-term growth. Investors should keep an eye on their continued execution of strategic initiatives.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on First American Financial's performance in the comments below. Until next time.